Okay, guys. What you're looking at here is what's called a plant asset record. So if you remember from what you learned from the video beforehand, a plant asset is something that depreciates. So delivery trucks, any kind of equipment, land. Um, Current assets, things that do not depreciate, are cash and bank, accounts receivable, um, things like that. So what we did here is you are going to end up doing one of these, but I kind of want to talk about this. So this is a plant asset. I kind of already have it started filling out for you. So you're going to put the item, we bought a delivery truck. It's recorded in the delivery equipment general ledger account. Here's the serial number that we bought. The manufacturer of the truck is Ford. It was purchased from Martin's Vehicles. The estimated disposal value is $2,000. The estimated life is 5 years, and the location is the north lot. We're using the straight line method, which is the method that you've been learning for depreciation. Okay, so the next thing we need to figure out is we need to figure out the depreciation per year. Okay, so before we do that, we have to figure out the amount that we're going to depreciate. So we bought the truck, as you can see here, on the first, and I'm actually going to change this year. So let's go with that, or month, I mean. Okay. Pardon me. All right, so we bought it for $35,000 on June 1st. So to find out the amount of depreciating total, you're going to take that $35,000 and you're going to subtract, okay, 2,000 from it. All right, so when you do that, you get $33,000 is your total amount that you're going to depreciate. All right, then to find out the amount you're going to depreciate per year, you take that 33,000 and you divide it by 5. So we're going to depreciate each year by $6,600. Okay? All right, so now the first year when we bought it on June 1st. So when you think about that, that's June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That's 7 months of depreciation we've calculated. So the first year when we go to record our depreciation, so that's 12, 31, 18, okay, we have to record our current depreciation, okay, and that's going to be for 7 months. All right, to find that, we take that annual amount of 6,600 and you multiply it by 7 months divided by 12. And then you hit enter. So the first year we depreciated 3,850. Okay, our balance is 3,850. Okay, our book value is we are going to take that 35,000 because that's what we started with, and we're going to subtract that 3850. So our book value at the end of the first year ends up being 31,150. All right. So that's only the first partial of the year. The next year was a full year of depreciation. So it's going to be 6,600. Okay. All right. So here in the balance, we're going to take the previous year's depreciation and we're going to add this year's depreciation. So we've depreciated 10,450. And the book value, we're taking the value of the truck and we're subtracting the current year's depreciation. Okay, so the truck is worth $24,550. All right, so that's 2 years. So now we have 12/31/20. All right, same thing, 6,600. We're going to add the current balance of depreciation to this year's depreciation. And then we are going to take the book value. And we're going to subtract this year's depreciation from it. All right. Now we have the next year depreciation. Okay, and again, we're adding the depreciation up, so we're keeping the rental total of how much we depreciated so far. And as this number is going up, you'll notice the book value of the vehicle is going down. Okay, so that's 3 full years and a half of another year. So this will be another 4th year. All right, 6,600 again. Okay, so there's our total depreciation so far. And this is what our truck is worth now. Now, again, technically that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years we depreciated, but that was only a partial year for the 18th. So this year, and we bought it in June, so it's going to be the end of May. So May 31st in 2023, we're going to depreciate. So the annual was 6,600, and in the first year we depreciated it 3,850. So we still have for this year 2,750 that we have to depreciate, January through May's worth. Okay, so now if we add our accumulated depreciation together, it equals 33,000. Again, if you remember, that was the total amount that we figured was our total accumulation of depreciation. And now we take that truck value, we minus this year, and we have 2,000, which is our estimated disposal value. If you have any questions, please let me know.